If you have brown eyes, this is your makeup tutorial. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The category is eye because we are about to slay your brown eye color. I know a lot of people out there who have brown eyes are like, the most beautiful eye color. You don't even recognize how gorgeous your eyes are. And I'm about to show you all the shades and colors that you need to be using all over your face in the textures and tones of your foundation, your bronzer, everything in this video. It's a very in-depth brown-eyed makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how to get the most beautiful colors from your eyes to shine, keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Starting off with a brow, you need a balanced, slightly bolder brow, something with more definition, because that's going to bring more attention to your eyes and actually give your eyes more definition too. So I use this Dominique brow pencil for that. This is Cool Deep Brown. And then I went in and I fluffed my brow. The electrocution brow is your friend in this makeup look because it's going to add height, shape, and balance to the entire eyebrow and eye area. So get yourself a really good brow gel. Lamination vibes. By the way, you guys, I did my own at-home lash extensions, sort of. I'm gonna call them that. So I have them on before, just so that it just makes life easier. I'm gonna sleep in them. I don't even feel them on my face. They're the Ardell Demi Wispy. They're the OGs and they're so good. I have my iced coffee. Comment below if you're an iced coffee girl, or you like hot coffee, or you just don't like coffee. We are going to go into the skin. The skin is so important for my brown-eyed girlies because we need to look glowy. Glowy skin with brown eyes is actually a necessity. Let me show you. What I've been doing is I've been using this moisturizer from Clarins. It's a day cream and it makes your skin so glowy. Let me just show you guys how amazing it is. I apply it on my hands like this and then I press it into my skin. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm actually in my 30s. I just turned 37 2 weeks ago. All you have to do to keep your skin looking young and flawless is to keep up with your routine. Keep a really good moisturizer on hand. I have dry skin. I've been saying this for so many years, and my moisturizers keep my skin young, so young, and also your heart. Let's be honest. If you are constantly stressed or being very negative about people or things or yourself, it's gonna age you. There's actually a thing called stress aging, and this actually fights signs of stress aging. I just did a campaign with Clarins, and they had a whole list of things that this cream does. And so I was like, wow, I didn't realize that. Like, those little things age you so much. So try to keep some time to yourself, read a book, drink some tea, make time for yourself where you don't have to do anything or stress about anything. Just be in your own moment. I think that's definitely gonna help you stay young and youthful. So I let this really sink into my skin, and then I go in with this freaking sunscreen. This sunscreen from Dalba is so good and works beautifully underneath makeup, and it keeps that glowy skin. This is a SPF 50. So I just put on a ton. It's supposed to be like 2 strips on your fingers. Like, it's supposed to cover 2 lengths of fingers, but I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Just work it on into your face, all the way into your neck, everywhere, literally everywhere. Your hands, everything is aging all at the same time. The sun rays are getting through, so make sure you're protected. Skin is skinning, and now we have to keep the skin glowy. So to do that, I'm using a glowy foundation. I'm going in with my Lancôme Care and Glow. This is sunscreen and skincare all in one with coverage. This is a Rose & Ben C42. It's my favorite foundation brush. I keep wanting to put it on my fingers, but I do not feel like washing my hands right now. And I am a little tan right now because I went to Tulum for my birthday. It was so much fun, but I did fake tan and then I got sun, so I am a little bit more tan. Hopefully this matches my face. I put too much foundation on. Hold on, guys. Okay, I got it all blended out. The glowier your skin looks, the more your eyes are gonna pop. Also, there is not one other eye color that has golden bronze tones in it. It is such a beautiful, beautiful color. And if you have brown eyes, even if your eyes are more on the deeper end, like almost black, stunning. This look is gonna look so good on you. You don't even understand. Because we have those golden bronze and red tones in our eyes, that's what we're gonna play up with around our eyes. If you you have dark circles around your eyes, I would definitely take a good concealer to even that out with your skin or brighten it up a little bit. A brighter under eye around your brown eyes is gonna look the best. When we're talking about green or blue eyes, it's totally different. Even the contour is different, like the color and the tones you use. If you want a green or blue eye makeup tutorial, let me know, because that's gonna be so different from this one. Oh my God, you guys, life update. I can't even begin to tell you how clumsy I am. Or I guess I can because I broke my toe. Well, it's fractured. I need like 2 more weeks for it to heal. It's been like 6 weeks already. But when I was in Tulum, I was really excited about a planter. I kicked it because I was trying to point at it with my foot and show Caesar like, hey, I want this one for the house. And I banged it so hard, it fractured it, like cracked the bone. So it has to grow back, and I'm wearing this shoe. Everybody I told, like everybody that knows me, they're like, again, really? We're not surprised. That's so bad. Okay, I'm contouring per usual. I have been loving this contour stick, and I feel like it's gonna work for a lot of people. This is from Westman Atelier. I'll have it linked below. It's called Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Truffle. Oh my God. As soon as I tried this on, I was like, oh, I'm in love. It's just so silky feeling. It blends into the skin so gorgeously. I'm obsessed. The color is perfection. So if you're looking for a new contour, this is gonna be it. It's stunning. I'm gonna take this Makeup Forever 109 brush to blend everything out and just bring that all the way back into the hairline. Press it in and push it back into the hairline. No matter how far back your hairline goes, bring it back. Just pressing that in so you don't lose the shape of your contour. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Dominique Smooth and Blur Setting Powder. When I think of brown eyes, I think of caramel, however you say it, chocolate luxe. That's what I feel brown eyes give. So if you have brown eyes, play that up, because that is such a beautiful color. There's such an underrated eye color. So to play up that caramel chocolatey luxe, we're going in with a red brown. I'm gonna show you a brown that you're not supposed to use for your eyes. It's gonna make your eyes not pop as much. This is a cool brown. This is from KVD. This is a cool brown. It's deep, it's cool. It's not gonna make your brown eyes pop as much as like something like this is from Hindash. I think it's sold out right now, but it's called Intra. It's a red brown, but there's also this one from Too Faced. This is called Killer Caramel. And this is a beautiful red brown too. You can use anything like that, anything that's gonna be a little more vibrant, have some kind of red tone to it. That's what's gonna make your eyes really pop. And all we're gonna do with this is we're gonna line the outer part of our eye and create a little wing. It's gonna be messy at first, but obviously we're gonna clean it up. So just take it right on the outer corner, leave a little space for your eyeball. We're not gonna put any right here because this is part of our eyes just popping and being their natural beauty. And then right in the inner corner, we're gonna add the red brown here. Every time I'm filming now, my cats are snoring in the background. I don't know if you can hear, but it literally every time I film a YouTube video. And then we're gonna tight line. I hope I'm... Also, if your liner bleeds a little bit, even better. That means you can smoke it out around the lower lash line and it brings out your eyes even more so beautifully. Use whichever black mascara you want. But then after you're done applying the black mascara, this one is from Rare Beauty. They have a really beautiful mascara. But once you're done with that one, use a brown one. This one from Too Faced, a really pretty warm brown mascara mixed in with the black is going to make your brown eyes look like they are glowing, like you have the most beautiful brown eyes. When it comes to eyeshadow, you don't need a lot. That's why I'm doing it last. I'm gonna take the transition palette, take anything that has a warm red brown, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and I'm gonna put it right through the crease, but in a lifting motion because we're gonna lift our eyes, a little eye surgery moment. Go in with a fluffy brush and just smoke that out back and forth, just really quick motions, holding your brush towards the back so you get a little bit more of a softer blend. I'm also gonna take the same 2 shades and just softly press it into the lower lash line. It also ensures that the pencil doesn't smudge too much. Take this little brush that we used earlier and just softly press it on top of the eye pencil that we used earlier for our wing, just so that color doesn't move around too much. We want to brighten up our eyes a little bit, but we don't want to take away from the beautiful glowy brown. So we're going to use a matte cream color on our eyes, something that matches your skin tone, whatever your skin tone is, and just put it on the inner part of the eye. It's going to brighten it up, make it pop a little bit more, and really give attention to the color of your eye, not the shimmer. Obviously, a shimmer is gonna look beautiful with brown eyes, but if you're wanting your eyes to be the main attraction, you're gonna wanna use a matte. And then you also take it right under the brow bone to add attention to that beautiful shape that you have. And you are literally just glowing without actually having glitter or shimmer on your face. Your skin is glowing, your eyes are glowing. Really, the main star of the show is your eye color. We're not giving cheeks, we're not giving glitter, we're giving eyes. So I'm gonna stick to bronzer. We're gonna have the glowiest bronze. And to do that first, I'm going in with the setting powder. I'm using Lunar Beauty's translucent deep setting powder. It's really pretty, it's soft and airy. And then I'm gonna go back over with an actual pressed powder for bronzer, but this is just gonna give us that nice soft transition, that airy bronze feel to our skin, because we are not going in with blush. I'm just gonna contour my nose with that setting powder. It did a great job. If you get a setting powder and you like it, get it in every shade. Get it in every single shade, because it's gonna work as everything and it's gonna make your skin look flawless. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge just to soften up the lines. We don't want it to look like two landing strips for an airplane. We just want it to look very natural. This has been my favorite freaking powder. It's from L'Oreal. It's the soft matte bronzer in the shade medium. It's stunning. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go in here and just really amp up the bronze and the structure in the face. If you have brown eyes, you are already a baddie. It's so easy for you to just glam up your eyes. This is all you need. A nice bronzer for that glow. We have that sun-kissed effect going. Now we're gonna do the lip. For the lip, we're gonna do a beige nude. So I'm using the Orpha Dose of Colors lip liner. This is a very beautiful, true, cool tone brown. I'm gonna say it's neutral. I'm not gonna say it's super cool. I'm gonna look like I have a mustache, but trust the process. There we go. Chola lips. Okay, then we're gonna go into this matte nude beige lip color from Essence. It's called Cinnamon Spice. This might get a little deep, so if it does, we're gonna lighten it up, just know that. Actually, no, it's great. It's actually perfect. We're gonna take this over the liner a little bit. I love that on its own, but I need to brighten up a little bit in the center. So for that, I'm doing a gloss. I'm using the Creamer Lip Gloss from Dominique. And this is a really nice, creamy, beige kind of concealer vibes without it being too pigmented, you know? So you can kind of build it. Okay, this is creasing because I want to be mocosa, and that is your makeup for brown eyes. Let me know how you like it. Please try this if you have brown eyes. Don't just look at this video and keep going. You need to actually get your makeup out. Ow. Ow. Get your makeup out and let's do it together. Rewatch this video. If you watched it without doing your makeup, save it, come back to it, and actually follow the steps, because I know you're gonna look amazing. You're gonna love the way your eyes glow, those caramel red warm browns. You're gonna look like royalty, girl. You need to try this right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, I didn't tell you guys this at the beginning, but I actually completely changed my hair. Did you guys notice? I have highlights again. I haven't done this in so long, but I love it. I love it so much. I might go darker again once we get into the fall, but right now I'm gonna live up my best highlight life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I hope that you learned something, or you know, you gained a friend. Me, I'm your friend. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't seen these two videos, make sure to watch them. They are waiting for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are we doing here? We're gonna subscribe so we can be friends and see each other every single week. I love you guys. Before I go, I always leave my girls with a motivational message, and today's motivational message is to do you. Like, don't let anybody else affect your decision. I love you. You got this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.